Multiple economies worldwide are devastated due to the pandemic. Yet one country gained an attractive investment from some of the biggest tech and electronic companies. That is India. More than 15 companies invested almost $20 billion in India between April and July this year. Some of the investors were Google, Walmart, Facebook, Apple, and Qualcomm. The International Monetary Fund predicted that there will be a negative growth rate of -4.9% for the world economy in 2020. And also projected a sharp contraction by 4.5% for the Indian economy. But even after this predictions, these investments were made. So, why these companies are investing in India? What benefits could they gain from this? Well, let's find out. The China factor. Due to COVID-19, new Cold War has started between US and China. And due to this, many electronic manufacturing companies are relocating their facilities. For example, a major contract manufacturer for Apple is shifting 6 production lines from China to India, with a target to export around $5 billion of iPhones from India, along with simultaneously catering to the Indian market. Apple vendors aren't simply looking to make only iPhones, but also planning to shift manufacturing of iPads, MacBooks, and other products in the next few years. Similarly, manufacturers like Wistron, Pegatron, Foxconn, and Samsung are also thinking to expand their manufacturing facilities in India. So this leads us to the next point. Future for electronics manufacturing in India. India is already the second largest mobile phone manufacturer in the world. Yet to attract more electronic manufacturing companies, and to create an ecosystem, the Indian government has recently announced production-linked incentive scheme. Government already has received 22 applications from firms ranging from assemblers to electronic component producers. This scheme will provide a 6% financial incentive on additional sales of goods produced for over a 5-year period. As per the government, these companies will produce mobile phones and components worth $153 billion during this 5-year duration. And 60% of these products will be exported to other countries. Also, these companies agreed to offer direct and indirect employment opportunities to 1.2 million Indians. But even after being the second largest manufacturer of mobile phones, only assembly is done in India, and all other major electronic parts are imported from different countries. Apart from this, India still lacks in infrastructure, supply chain network, and other facilities which countries like China and Vietnam provide better. Yet the PLI scheme from the government is a good start. But only time will tell that how far this goes. Now let's look at India's tech industry. India is transforming in digital economy, with more than 700 million internet users, and roughly 500 million expected to come. And this is an opportunity which no one wants to lose. US tech giants are trying to grab this massive market before others could do. Some big tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Qualcomm has invested in the Indian telecom company Reliance Jio. Jio was launched as a mobile network in 2016. It quickly gained nearly 400 million subscribers. With recent influence in e-commerce, digital payments, and streaming services, Jio appears to be looking to turn the company into an all-encompassing Indian ecosystem. Also, Jio is the only telecom company in India who has developed completely end-to-end 5G solution indigenously. Qualcomm has recently invested $97.1 million in Jio. This will help Jio to roll out the advanced 5G infrastructure and services for Indian customers. Similarly, Google has invested $4.5 billion in Jio. By doing this, Google is targeting 300 million users in India which are using basic feature phones. Google is working with Jio to create a custom Android version, tailored for entry-level devices. Also, Facebook's $5.7 billion investment in Jio seems to create platform for online grocery deliveries through WhatsApp and JioMart. So all these companies are creating an ecosystem by investing in Indian companies. But even after looking at all of this, still a question remains unanswered. Why India? Well, India is the second most populated country globally. And obviously no one would leave a market like this. Apart from this, the Silicon Valley has been shut out by China for years. Many big ones like Google, Twitter, and Facebook are completely banned in China. Because of this, many companies have lost the biggest market of the globe. So companies are trying to make the most out of India. Yet India needs to make a ton of reforms to grab this opportunity and to become a big tech manufacturer. So, what are your views about this? Let us know in the comment section below. And we are glad you watched the full video. Please hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. Thank you.